If you have bought a new pumping machine, I am thinking you are having a challenge starting your machine, as a new pumping machine is not all about putting the switches on the on position and the machine starts working. So if you're having a challenge like that, stay tuned as I'll help you get through with that challenge. If you have never used a pumping machine before, for the first time, it usually happens. You would think putting the switches on the on position, the machine will start working, but that's not the problem. The first key thing you would have to know is to prime your water pump. Priming is what generates the pressure for running your machine. So this is how you prime your machine. Okay. So there is one hole here. Okay. There is one hole here. So you open this one from this opening, then you fill it with water. Okay, you fill it with water to the brim, or you fill it until you see water coming from the discharge nozzle over here. Okay, so now it is full. So after filling it, you then close the lid. Okay, so you can now turn the power here to the on position. Okay, so always make sure you have gasoline inside the tank. And after that, after you have put it on the on position, this comes the second problem. You put this one on. This is the fuel gauge. You put it on, but you don't open the choke lever. You just close it there, because that's what is going to spark the machine for you. Okay, so after putting the oil lever on, you are now ready to start your machine. You grab the starter and you see. So that is it. Okay,